Hare Krishna. We are very happy to announce an upcoming temple project in Nagari, Pune. Our beloved spiritual master, Srila Prabhupada, envisioned a temple for Lord Krishna in every nook and corner of this world. To fulfill his desire, devotees of Hare Krishna movement Pune have planned a grand temple for Lord Krishna in the heart of nature. In the heart of nature, where the mountains embrace the sky and the valley cradles the earth, lies a sacred land destined for devotion. We invite you to witness the first glimpse of our dream, a dream that belongs to every devotee, every seeker, and each one of you. Imagine this land transformed into a temple that radiates the beauty and glory of Lord Krishna. A place where the holy name will resonate through the valleys, where devotees will gather to chant, serve, and rejoice in the loving presence of the Lord. Hare Krishna Valley is a place for you to come, relax, rejuvenate, and reconnect your soul with Lord Krishna. Together, let's build a home for Sri Krishna where devotion thrives. Please join us in this endeavor. Hare Krishna.